silicon tetrachloride. Silicon is present group 14 in the periodic table. Silicon tetrachloride is the important compound. The molecular formula for silicon tetrachloride is SiCl4. Now we are going to discuss about the preparation, properties and uses of silicon tetrachloride. Preparation, there are two methods for the preparation of silicon tetrachloride. First method, silica and carbon. This is the intimate mixture. When this intimate mixture is passed through dry chlorine at 1675 Kelvin, silicon tetrachloride with the liberation of carbon monoxide is formed. Intimate mixture means silicon dioxide or silica and carbon. Silica and carbon, this is known as intimate mixture. This intimate mixture is passed through dry chlorine at 1675 Kelvin. Silicon tetrachloride is formed with the liberation of carbon monoxide gas. In this equation, here 4 chlorine atom is present. In this side, 2 chlorine atom is present. So we have to put here 2. Then here 1 carbon, here also 1 carbon, here 1 oxygen, here 2 oxygen. So we have to put here 2, here also 2. Now the equation is balanced. The next method, commercial method. Silicon is passed with chlorine gas, hydrochloric acid gas. Above 600 Kelvin, silicon tetrachloride with the liberation of hydrogen gas. Silicon is reacted with hydrogen chloride gas. Above 600 Kelvin, silicon tetrachloride is formed with the liberation of hydrogen chloride gas. In this equation, here 1 chlorine atom, here 4 chlorine atom is present. So we have to put here 4. Here 2 hydrogen is present. Here 4 hydrogen is present. So we have to put here also 2. So 4 hydrogen atom and here also 4 hydrogen atom. Then properties of silicon tetrachloride. Silicon tetrachloride is a colorless fuming liquid and it freezes at -70 degrees Celsius. Then reactions. Silicon tetrachloride undergoes 3 reactions: hydrolysis, alcoholysis, aminolysis. Lysis means splitting. Hydro means water. Splitting is done by water, that is known as hydrolysis. Alcoholysis means splitting is done by alcohol. Aminolysis means splitting is done by ammonia. Ammonia, the molecular formula is NH3. First reaction, hydrolysis. Hydrolysis with moist air and moist ether. When silicon tetrachloride undergoes hydrolysis, orthosilicic acid is formed. When silicon tetrachloride undergoes hydrolysis, orthosilicic acid is formed. Here, when silicon tetrachloride undergoes hydrolysis, perchlorosiloxane is formed. It is a linear structure. The next reaction, alcoholysis. Splitting is done by alcohol. So, silicon tetrachloride, alcohol, ethanol or ethyl alcohol. It reacts to form tetraethoxysilane. Silicon tetrachloride react with ethanol or ethyl alcohol. Tetraethoxysilane is formed. Here you see 4 chlorine atom. Here only 1 hydrogen is present. So here also we have to put 4. So 4 HCl remaining is C2H5O 4 times then Si. So tetraethoxysilane. The next reaction is aminolysis. Splitting is done by ammonia. silicon tetrachloride is reacted with ammonia in the presence of ether at 330 Kelvin. Chlorosilane is formed with the liberation of hydrochloric acid. Silane, the formula for silane is SiNHSi. Chlorosilane means here Cl3 is present, so we say chlorosilane. Then last one is the uses of silicon tetrachloride. Silicon tetrachloride is used for the production of semiconducting silicon. Then it is used as a starting material for the synthesis of silica gel and silica ester.